This newsreel is about War Wagon, a 1967 Western starring John Wayne and Kirk Douglas.
Welcome. Co-star Bruce Cabot, longtime film favorite, receives a certificate which makes him honorary deputy sheriff. A full-scale press reception and barbecue is prepared by the same man who caters many of President Johnson's giant cookouts. It's all part of fun-filled festive days in the Lone Star State. Another highlight, a dinner reception for John Wayne celebrating his birthday. Jack Valenti, Motion Picture Association president, is host to many civic, social, and political leaders. Wayne puffs and then both surprises and delights the gathering by chopping his birthday cake in true rugged frontier Western style. A pretty guest is aghast. World premiere day at Dallas Majestic Theater, one of two simultaneous dual city openings, the other in Fort Worth. Duke Wayne arrives and makes an instant hit with a huge crowd of celebrity watchers. The Laura Nolan featured in the film makes a beautiful appearance, adding to the glamour and glitter of this major premiere. Joanna Barnes, also featured in The War Wagon, decorates the premiere while the film's director, Bert Kennedy, explains the plot line of this big-budget Technicolor Western which tells of the forerunners of today's armored cars and tanks. Fort Worth joins in this precedent-setting Twin City doubleheader premiere with the spotlight on the Worth Theater and John Wayne. Indian dancers add authentic atmosphere as both Dallas and Fort Worth lay aside city rivalry to welcome the opening of one of the year's major outdoor adventure films, Universal's The War Wagon.